Action.
Hi friend, have a nice day, have a nice evening. In 5 minutes ago, I told you that we will build one piece money machine. Now we begin to do the great job to build the money machine. Now we begin. See this guy. See this guy. This guy. This is my best engineer in the world. He is very professional and good at repair the FPGA card motherboard and electronic products. Now we begin to build the money machine. Now we begin. First we install the CPU, then we install the memory. You do. I can do it. This motherboard supports DDR3 memory. Now insert it. And this motherboard supports Msata SSD. So now install the SSD. You can see this one. This is MSATA SSD, not M2 SSD. And this is the mining case. We first install the CPU farm. Insert the CPU farm. The CPU is RJ1151 CPU. Insert the farm. Then put the motherboard into the case. You can see this case. This case is professional for money, and we fix the screw. Many screws. We fix those screws. For the motherboard, between the two slots is 4.5, and I think the watts is not too long. Maybe the FPGA card is too hot for mounting. I think the base width for the two slots is 6.5 mm. Now fix the screw. Now this is power supply. This power supply is for money. Maybe the watt. It is 1000 watt. For the money power supply, this is for 24 pin. For 24, many pins. This is 8 pin. This is 1 8 pin, 2 8 pin, 3 8 pin, 4 8 pin, 5 8 pin, 5 8 pin, 6 8 pin, 7 8. 8, 9, 10 8 pins. Later, this 8 pin is for the FPGA card. This FPGA card have 3 fonts. It's so colorful. Again, colorful brown. It is Again, GeForce GTX 1660 Super. This is the cover for the pins, for the PCI Express pins. This cover protect the PCI Express pins. I open the cover. Open the cover. No, SSD. This is the Msata SSD. The hash for this VGA card, the hash rate is around 30 MHz. We can find this for this motherboard. The between two solid is not wide. It's just 4.5 mm. Generally said for the distance for the two slots, we need 6.5. You can see there is between two VGA cards, no distance. Maybe because the VGA card is very hot. So I think this motherboard, the width should be 6.5 mm, not 4.5. Now this motherboard is 4.5. The width is too short. This one. Maybe we need to find the screw. Install the last VGA. To connect the pins. This is the 8 pin. We insert 8 pin. Insert the 8 pin. This 8 pin is supply the electricity to the VGA card. If don't supply the electricity to the VGA card, the VGA card can't work. We must plug all the 8 pins. Insert the pins.
把图文做宣传，看一下今天有多少阅读量。
这个等一下剪掉这个行吗？
嗯。
不要拍这两个，把这个裁掉。
我现在就发一下这个微头条，宣传一下我们的话题。刚刚那个图片太震撼了。
At last, we cover the mining case cover. Then we finish the installation for this mining machine for ETH.